Hi, I'm Wendy Rowe and thanks for being here for me today in my kitchen, and I'm cooking something for you. Forget the gloss, they're in the kitchen with me today. It's something from my cookbook, Eat Beautiful. So come and have a look at the ingredients. It's super quick and easy to do, just some key things you need to know. So here's some courgettes or zucchini, depending on where you come from, some lemons, fresh parsley, garlic, chili flakes, prawn, crevette, or you could do chicken, whatever you want. This is a spiralizer, and I use this, you need it on the finest one to make your courgette spaghetti. This is a key thing, and you definitely do need this. I like to break it off sometimes in between, just so it doesn't get too long. I'm going to keep on going, and as you can see, we're getting like a little thing that comes out. You kind of figure it out how much you need. Depends on the size of your courgette, you know. Sometimes they come up smaller. So in recipe books, when you say you need 3 courgettes, depends on the size. And then what you do with this is you can either have like just a long nose like that, or you can just eat it like that. Choice is yours. Okay, so I like to prep everything before I get going, because when it gets together, it happens quite quickly. So like I bunch up the parsley, and then I do it like this. You could break the leaves off, but I just feel like it's finer and stuff like that. Smash the garlic and then chop it like this. Okay, I take a spoonful of coconut oil. That's what I like to cook with, because it's just better for you. The body digests it better. And we just let that melt away. This is one of my favourite pans. I've got 2 of them. I cook most of my stuff in it. It's really amazing to cook fish, curries, everything. It's just like major. Right, here we go, here we go, here we go. So I'm going to throw the garlic in. And I'm going to throw, the prawns are cooked, right? So you don't need to it's kind of more of a reheat. So I'm chucking in this. That's a lot there, but it does cook down a bit. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of chili flakes. I mean, you know, it's up to you how much you want to put in. It depends on your taste buds. I'm going to throw in the prawns. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is going to be major. This is going to be major. Right, they'll really cook quite quickly. Okay, this is done. It's a grater, great for lemon zest. Try and just take off the yellow bit. I learnt that from Jamie Oliver, because apparently as it gets lighter, it's a bit tart. Okay, this is ready to rock and roll. There. Sprinkle some parsley on.